On today's Body Cam, we're checking out police shut down strip club after multiple fights break out.
On March 22nd, 2026, deputies with the Polk County Sheriff's Office were at a strip club to help with crowd control after many small fights broke out on the club's property, and they needed help escorting everyone out.
You see my eye? They hit nobody. They hit me. You see my eye? You see my eye?
Get back. Stop. Okay, stop. Let go. Stop. Let go.
Listen.
Let go.
Listen, this is my friend. Listen, I got her. Listen.
Let go.
What is wrong with the? Come on, man. The cop is clearly saying let go, and they're still sitting there, like holding on to her. I got her. No, it's too late. You should have had her before she ended up getting her in a little tussle there. It's over. Shouldn't just keep holding on to her, and the cop is trying to get her. What do you think this is? Yeah. Listen, we might need a 2-for-1 special.
Let go. You're under arrest. You don't let go. Let go right now. Let go.
Sir.
Let go. You good?
Man, strip club popping. Whoa. Whoa. Strip club on it popping right now. But hey, for everybody that's not getting involved, kudos to them. Sitting on the sidelines, you get a free entertainment show, man. This is good entertainment. Who's that yelling?
Yeah, we're good. 146, one in custody. What did I just say? I said right there. Back off. Leave or you're going to jail. Leave or you're going to jail.
Okay, you're racist. You're racist.
Leave or go to jail.
You're racist.
Leave or go to jail. Take her.
My friend didn't do this.
Leave. Leave or go to jail. Get her, please.
I promise. You're mad because you're racist and being recorded. You didn't say that. You didn't have to yell. You could have said it nice.
Huh? Where are the rest of you? Everywhere. We're outnumbered. It's a question.
I can't wait to have this show.
Hey, you guys, if you see fights, we're taking disorderly public intox. If they don't leave when you tell them to, take them. Trespass, public intox, disorderly, everything. We got a large group here. Everybody's fighting. Just send whoever will come. Nobody's fighting actively right now, but we'll take whoever.
My bad.
In your car and go. Everybody's fucking done. Get the fuck out of here. Get out.
If you don't leave, you'll be arrested. Go. Go. Walk. Go. Go. Then go.
To your fucking car.
Get in your fucking car.
I'm trying to find my ride. Please. Don't cross that. There's these in it. They take their job.
Hey, are you going in?
You got jumped over.
No, leave.
Get out the car.
We're kicking everybody out. Get in your car.
I'm not getting in that car. Hey, you think you know something?
No, it's what it comes off the street.
Hey, everybody leave. They don't leave. Trespass, disorderly, public intoxicating for whatever. Okay. Or cuff them, we'll take them. But
They want
just
absolutely everybody here go.
if they're in line, they're waiting, they're fine. But we're getting fights, and it's getting bigger.
In line or inside?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
We're standing in the middle of it and they're fighting.
Why don't they want to just shut it all down?
Because it's fucking lumberyard.
Come on, you can't shut it all down. It's the strip club. You think they gonna miss out on that money, man? You think they gonna miss out on that money, man? No. They just want you guys to come and, you know, whatever for the real rowdy stuff, but they not gonna shut it down, man. It's a whole lot of money to be made tonight, man. For the club, for the girls. Yeah, you see, it's popping in there, boy. Yo, he said, I ain't go. I just got dropped off. What you mean? Yeah, he trying to have a good night, boy. I never understood. I gotta be honest though. I never understood the appeal of strip clubs, honestly. Like, I don't get it. To go and it's like throwing money in the toilet. Like, I don't understand it. There was only one strip club that I liked, man. And of course it was in Florida, okay? Tootsie's, man. It's amazing. But not necessarily for the talent. Tootsie's is a spot that has amazing food. Like regular food. Yo, if you go there around lunchtime, stuff like that, you're gonna see businessmen, businesswomen, all types of stuff. Like, it's not like your typical hole in the wall, might see a pregnant girl stripping or got missing teeth. Nah, not that. This is like upscale. Like, it's a different ball game in there. That's the only strip club that I actually liked. Because it's a completely different vibe. But anyway, let's go. But like I was saying, but for the big scheme of things, I don't understand the illusion of just throwing money away. Like, that's all you doing, just throwing money away. Like, what? At Tootsie's, you ain't even got to do none of that. You know, if you don't want to be entertained, sit at a regular table. You know, they got tables, boom. You don't have to sit near the stage or nothing. Order your food, sit there, eat, chill out, relax. You know, the ladies might come around. You know, they might come around and stuff like that or whatever. But you say, no, I'm good. And they going to go about their business. It's not. Yeah. Yo, I'm telling you. I heard Drake say it in a song one time. He said, it's snowing in Tootsie's. I said, wait, what's Tootsie's? I had to do my research. I'm like, oh, word? Okay. Let's go to Tootsie's then. Let's go to Miami. Because I used to go to Miami a couple times because I got friends that were from there. But yeah, I'm like, yo, this time. Okay, next time I went to Miami, we went to Tootsie's and it's not like your regular stuff. I'm like, damn. Yeah, I like this here. But yeah, no, strip clubs ain't really my thing, though.
If you see them fighting, public intox, take them for whatever you want to take. Whose car is that? Mine. Go move it so these people can leave. All the way at the top?
No, we weren't letting them go.
No, let them go. Let them get the out of here. Yeah, we're closing.
Damn, that thing flooding in there.
Yeah, it should be fine. I think we got ISP coming too, but I think we got the majority of the group out that was fighting.
Yeah. I think this guy's trying to.
Yeah, that girl in the blue been in the video the whole time. Like this one right here. This one right here in the blue in the back. Like, damn, they didn't leave yet?
Right there. Where's the butter, bro? You guys going? Yeah, we're going.
I want some tacos.
Go get some. Like, Des Moines came, ISP came, Ankeny came, all of our territory cars except for Drive.
I just released that kid, and then the mom is still coming for that vehicle. I just took the keys. Are they coming or?
Damn, they got guys and girls going in
I've been
there.
telling everybody else it's closed.
What happened, big fight?
Dude, there's like 5 fucking fights.
All of them. They like, you break one up and then 3 others would start fighting.
Who else? Did you take anybody?
No, I was going to, but then 4 people started fighting, so I let her go.
I don't know, I just took.
See, that's why you got, if you are gonna go to a strip club, you gotta go to an upscale one, man. Just look at the clientele around this one. Like, this ain't, see, this is why this is like them hole in the wall. Yeah, nah, man. I don't know, but you gotta go to, I wanna be in the spot, like, where the, you know, where the celebs is at and stuff, man. I'm not trying to sit in here, like.
You guys leaving or going? Or go in?
I know we're finna go in. We're not finna be in Georgia. Yeah, we're not finna leave.
All right, guys, go ahead and leave for us, please. Go ahead. That way. Huh? All right, then let's go. It's closed? Never mind, you guys gotta leave. It's closed. It's closed. Yeah. A good chunk of people left.
Y'all got the dang block. Y'all got the extra block.
Yeah. Head out, guys. Leave. No, it's closed. Leave.
Bars closed, please.
No.
We gone.
Go ahead and head out, guys. Time to leave. Time to leave. Start walking back to your car. Huh? No, time to leave.
Our girlfriend's already there. Can we bring them out?
One of you go get her. Tell him.
Just said we can stand our hands, smoke our black.
No, I'm telling you guys you have to leave.
No, he just, what you mean?
I'm
I
telling.
just paid $20.
Yeah, they're closing down.
$20 back.
No. Yeah, they're closed.
No, they ain't.
Leave or be trespassed and go to jail.
I'm leaving.
All right.
I'm gonna just call him. I'm gonna just call
Yes,
it.
please.
Come on,
That's fine. Yes, thank you.
So, hey, I promise.
Go ahead and leave, guys.
Hey, come on. Come on, let's go. All right.
No, she has the keys. She has the keys? Okay, that's fair. That's a good reason. How about you two? You got
Okay,
I got you.
Are you riding with them? Go ahead and go to your cars, guys.
Oh, yeah, she told me that.
Go to your cars.
Yeah, okay.
Start.
All right.
Meet at the curb. Text me.
Okay. Vanilla Ice doing his thing. Okay. I see him now. Okay.
Start.
All right.
Meet at the curb. Text me.
Okay. Walking off with his little song.
Doors.
Okay.
The second they leave, they're not
Can't come back in. I get it. Thank you.
Damn, that's crazy.
So will you go to your car, please?
I am. I'm waiting.
Do I have to pull
I
off?
can't go nowhere.
Huh?
All that
Do I gotta
people
pull off?
do is keep
My
no-
people
Is your car?
Yes.
Okay, just go wait in your car, please.
Sorry, I don't have a car to wait in, so I just gotta wait for my ride right here.
Okay.
Can you get a cigarette?
Who? Cigarettes is damn near $15.
Are you guys trying to get out?
Yes.
You need me to move this? You want to do a walkthrough with me?
We got that door locked, guys.
Oh, can we come in there, please? Thank you.
Okay, let's see what the spot looking like. Okay.
So how you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
You want a taco?
No, thank you. All right, I'm going to take these two to jail. Thank you guys for your help.
Y'all gave her keys to the people that we was fighting with, and they left the premises with her car keys. The yellow tank top, she has her keys. Her name is Tone Johnson.
Okay.
She has her keys.
This anybody? Is this Tazia Johnson?
That's her sister.
That's her
the
sister.
sister
They got
got the
my
keys.
keys.
They have her car keys, and they're the reason that we're in cuffs.
Okay. Are they your friends?
No,
No.
they're the reason we are in cuffs.
All right. All right. Yeah. Thank you.
She was then transported to the Polk County Jail, where she was booked and charged with disorderly conduct and public intoxication. If you enjoy the content...